Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hi. This is Fred Rogers.
Hi?
Do you know who I am?
No.
Have you by any chance lost your kitty?
Oh, I have.
Well, I have her.
Okay.
Did
Where are
you talk with the people you loved last night about the things that you wonder about?
I can't hear you.
Did you talk with the people you loved last night about the things that you wonder about?
I'm not sure what you mean.
Well, when you're wondering about something, you can always ask the people you love about it.
The people
Can
I
you
laugh about?
find the cat?
Okay.
I remember one time some of our neighbors who were studying ballet dancing got dressed up to look like raccoons. One of them was a mother raccoon, and the other a father raccoon. And there was a boy raccoon and a girl raccoon, and they made up a dance about that family.
Okay.
Oh, I'm glad you called.
Okay, I didn't call. You called me.
I was just making some popcorn.
You what?
I was just making some popcorn.
So you don't have my cat?
Well, certainly.
All right, then what does she look like?
Furry and brown.
Whatever. Dude, you're fucked up.
Did you see how many sticks I brought?